Hello guys, I'm making this video for my friends in the secondary school, in the university, and those guys who are still in the university, and also my local community. This video is not about financial advice. Please, this is not financial advice. This is just an information which you can disregard, or you do your own research and take necessary action. Okay, so I know some of you have been chatting me privately, understand. So online, how do I start online? How do I make money online? So I want to make this video so that it serves for everybody who we have met online. So please, for those of you sending messaging and I'm not responding to you, I'm very sorry. It's not that I'm ignoring you for nothing, just that some of the things you're asking, I may not be able to answer each and everybody same question all the time. So that's why I'm making this particular video. So guys, if you are still in the university right now, or you are in the university or you have graduated, please, I want you to know that there is money online, but getting this money, you have to learn some things. Okay, if you are the job type, maybe you like employment, there is always big remote job for you. So please, I'm not making this video so that you think that I have arrived. Oh, no, please, I'm not doing that. But for my journey of 4 to 3 years online, we have gained this experience, and alhamdulillah, we have been able to take care of our bills. Okay, so we are still strongly. So I'm going to give you some of these tips. Okay, take it and go and do more research on it. So this is what you're gonna do if you are still in school right now. Save money. Okay, save money. When you are saving money, try and get an Android phone. Get a good Android phone, and all you're gonna do, I want you to learn 3 skills. When you learn these 3 skills, I can assure you, like 100% guarantee, you're gonna make money with these 3 skills. Okay, also I'm going to tell you an investment you can do now if you have already saved money. So the 3 skills you're gonna learn right now: use your phone to learn how to run Facebook and Instagram sponsored ad. You don't have to pay. If you want to, you can pay. I've sold courses on Facebook ad, but now they are free on my YouTube channel. I've gathered the videos and put them together. You don't have to pay anymore. And my course is one of the best courses when it comes to Facebook and Instagram sponsored ad. I've taught over 5,000 students, you understand, that bought the course, but now it's free on YouTube. There are other tutorials on YouTube and Facebook ad. That is the first thing you should learn. I'm telling you this for free. As a friend, we have met in life, or you have met me before. The second thing you must learn, is learn how to edit videos using your mobile phone. And the best app for that is CapCut Video Editor. Very easy. You can search YouTube CapCut Video Editing with mobile phone tutorial. Watch and learn. You don't have to pay. I'm telling you, you don't have to pay. The paid and the free, they are the same. So I myself have the paid course, but it's for advanced, those who want to advance video editing. You understand? You create video from scratch. You know those advertising videos you see that's create with cartoons and others. If you want to learn that, you can go for my paid course. But if you just want, the one I'm recommending for you, just to learn how to edit videos, basic videos, just like these ones. Okay, you can learn that also from my channel, Opportunity Snitch. If you go search for playlist video editing, you've seen my tutorials I've done for years, 2 years ago. Okay, they are still valid till now, and I'm still doing. So subscribe and turn on the bell notification. You'll still be seeing more of those tutorials. Okay, that is the second skill set I want you to learn: video editing with mobile phone. The next thing you should do, if you are still in school right now or you have graduated, you have not got a high paid job, you understand, even though you have a high paid job, you are still free. Learn how to create simple sales funnels and simple graphic design. Okay, if you know how to create funnels, you know how to do simple graphic design with mobile phone, also the graphic design with Canva. When you have these 3 skill set, Facebook and Instagram sponsored ad, you know how to set it up professionally. You know how to edit video with CapCut. You know how to create simple graphics and sales funnel. There is no way, read my lips, there is no way you will not make money online. If you master all this, the next thing is to know how to monetize it, how to make money from it. Don't ask me how do you make money online if you don't know these things. That is why I'm making this video for you. Learn these things. When you learn, say, Zach, I've learned how to set up Facebook and Instagram ad. Mr. Zach, I've learned how to edit video with CapCut Video Editor. Mr. Zach, I'm a graphic designer. I can design some graphic. Mr. Zach, I can create sales funnels. When you tell me this, I will pick up with your chat. I will tell you what to do to make money. And I've already been telling you here on my channel, on my YouTube and on my TikTok. Check the videos. You see, you can easily make money with those knowledge. So please do this. This is what you want to do. And lastly, like I told you, if you already save for money now, you are a graduate. I don't deal with students when it comes to some investment. This is not a financial advice. I'm giving you a tip. The crypto market is risky. Don't trade futures. But I can say you can, at this moment, as I'm making this video of the 13th of January 2024, if you are watching this video at this moment, we are expecting a bull run. What is a bull run? It means that the value of crypto you buy with small dollar, it might go up, you understand, and make you the big dollar. So if you have some small change that you save, not school fees, not house rent, don't mess up, okay? Money that you keep, I want you to research about some crypto you can buy and hold from this beginning of 2024 January to ending of this 2024 to early 2025. We are expecting that you're gonna make money from this because the ETF just approved BTC. It means that more money is coming into the crypto world and the value of those tokens are going to go high. So if you buy now, they are going to go high. Don't come into this too late. It's risky. You can buy and the value go down. It means that your money will go down. Okay, what you bought $100 may go to $50 or $20. But if you buy early, we are expecting what you buy for $100 may times 10 or times 100 depending on the token you actually bought. So I don't want this video to be too long. Go and do more research on this. I've been in the crypto world close to 2 years now, trading the crypto and forex also. Okay, we lose money, we know the experience, and we are making some money now from the experience we have made. So the only less risks I'm giving you is only the spot. Don't go beyond that and research the best coins to buy, like the ICP, the Link Chain, the Maro, you understand, the Phil. Research this coin I mentioned to you and more, and you know, you can put in your money, your small saving. Don't be surprised, just like BTC went in 2029, went from $0.01, and now as of January 2024, BTC that you bought from, that some people bought from $0.01 is now $47,000 to $48,000. So you might be the lucky one. From those coins you bought with $10, $20 may become $1,000, $10,000 to after 2024 in 2025. So it's worth taking some risks if you have some money to take such risks. This is not for students. This is for people that have already have some money, spare money. They are not bothered. They are ready to invest that money and put it there and see how it goes. Profit or loss, they are willing to take. Okay, so this is one advice I can also give you as my friend, my coursemate, my schoolmate, my friend. So these are things you make money from online. The first one is the important one. Learn those skills and you are sure you are guaranteed of making money online. If you need a remote job, you are going to get it. Let me just tell you the fact. On daily basis, you know, I've taught thousands of students. You can join some of these platforms to see the free tutorials on Telegram and on WhatsApp groups. I've taught thousands of students on AI videos when AI was not common here in Nigeria. I've taught students Facebook and Instagram and so many things. So I have more than 10,000 students on my WhatsApp group. So when I'm telling you this thing, it's from vast experience. I asked for consultant for people in abroad as I'm sitting here with you. But many people, you know, when you are in local community, they will not even know what is going on. You understand how you are making your money. So I'm just giving you the tips. You can act as a remote worker when you know how to run Facebook app professional, when you know how to edit videos, when you know how to manage social media. You can't manage social media without all the experiences of things I just gave you. Is the requirement for you to manage social media. So don't play, guys. If you want job, you can get job. Me, I'm rejecting job. I can't be collecting small job. I can only select high-paid remote job, consultancy, one-on-one training, and I charge you high. Okay, that's what I do currently. So, and with this skills, I sell a lot of product, both physical and digital. I've sold my own courses, affiliate courses. So I'm giving you tips. Go and learn this thing before thinking of making money from it. Go and learn those things. 1, Facebook and Instagram ad. 2, learn how to edit video with CapCut Video Editor using your mobile phone. 3, learn basic graphic design with Canva. 4, learn basic sales funnel creation and script writing. Once you have this, you are guaranteed to make money. Then think about how to monetize this. If you need job, you got a job. Okay, you're gonna get job if you actually know how to do all these things. Okay guys, I'm stopping this video here. Subscribe and turn on the bell notification to my TikTok and my YouTube channel, and also the Facebook, as I'm going to be giving you more tips on how to make money online. See you in the next video.